Okay, here we go. So, using the equation for specific heat, joules is going to be for Q, grams for mass, this unit for the specific heat of that substance, and this is the change in temp. So, let's go through the problem, and I like to label everything as I go through it. So, what amount of heat is needed to raise the temperature of 45.3 grams, so this is my M, from 17 to 103, this is my change in temp,
Oh, just kidding.
right, because it's a C. The specific heat of platinum is this,
C.
this is your C. So what we're solving is for the Q, so what amount of heat? So Q equals M 45, yep, 0.3 times 0.133 times, what is, so final minus initial. So 103 minus 17 is, what is it? 86, thank you. And then when we multiply all three of those together,
You subtract 103 minus 1.
right, because it's final minus initial. And again, it's the absolute value, so it should always be a positive number.
518.
So
Point
All you
15.
do is just do this.
you got 0.15? Did people get 518?
See,
Yes. Okay. So 518.14, and the unit is joules. All right. Let's do one more.
wait, so for the
Oh, go ahead.
delta T, you just subtract it to get
Final
that?
minus initial.
Okay.
Yep. So one amount of heat. So again, Q again. 83.2 grams. That's my mass. This is the change in temp, which is what's 75.2 minus 20. 75.2 minus 22.5.
52.7.
Yes, 52.7 degrees Celsius. The specific heat is, so that's the C. So again, we just plug everything in. This isn't, no conversions here. Mass 388, and the change in temp 52.7. So times 388 times 83.2.
What is that? 52?
I'm sorry, 52.7. 1.24. Are people getting around 1,701? Okay. So same idea. Again, write what it is right next to it. For the change in temp, it's always final minus initial, and it's the absolute value. So you're never going to have a negative number here. Okay? Let's go through these problems, and then I'd like you to check in with me